Hello, I'm an 2015 Subaru Crosstrek, and today I'm going to show you a jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then on the driver's side here you should find your battery with your positive terminal and your negative terminal, but you can always double check on the battery itself too, because there's usually a positive symbol near the positive and negative near the negative. Next, I'd make sure there's no corrosion or anything built up on these terminals, which you can clean off with a good brush or rag. And then I would double check these are nice and tight. So if this is loose, that could cause issues, so tighten them up if needed. And then with your jump box or jumper cables, take your metal clamps and have your positive clamp directly to the metal, as much metal as you can. And then your negative clamp on here to this metal, as much metal connection as you can. And if you're using the jumper cables with another vehicle, make sure the other vehicle is turned on, and that your positive clamp is running to the positive battery of the other car, and your negative to the other negative. You don't want to crisscross them, because even a few seconds of that could cause damage to your computer systems, fuses, things like that. But all that said, when you've got the jumper cables connected for a few minutes or so with a good metal connection and the other vehicle running, that should hopefully give you enough power to get this started. And if you've been trying that for quite a while and still not having success, you might need to replace this battery, which typically you could do just by removing this support bracket here, loosening these terminals so you can move these off, then just lifting your old battery out, putting your new battery in, and then tightening everything back so it's nice and tight, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.